Good morning, good morning. Guess where I am? I am in Tuskegee National Forest. I have my favorite picnic table. And it is, let's see, about 6:30 or so. On Wednesday morning, Wednesday before Thanksgiving. So I'm going to get on the air here, do a little bit of Morse code this morning to start off this beautiful Wednesday and getting ready for holidays with family. So let's go ahead and get everything here set up. So that is the tripod for my AlexLoop. And I'm carrying my IC705 a little bit different this morning. I'm going to show you real quick. I don't know if I'm going to stick with this, but this is just one of my backpacks, and you've seen this before. This is my Bihn Backpack. I love this thing. So I didn't have the 705 in it because I didn't have a way to protect the front, but I found this on eBay. Check out this little front cover. Some dirt on it. Look at that. How neat is that? It's got like a little plexiglass front, so you can still see through it, but it snaps between the handles of the Windcamp cage. So if you got a Windcamp cage and need something to protect the front of your IC705, that's pretty neat. So yeah, I'll try to link it. I don't know if I can or not. Depends on whether or not the guy that makes them still has any available on eBay. If he does, I'll link it. But alright, let's go ahead and get this antenna set up. It's the best part about this antenna is just how darn easy it is to set up. Well, let's get that out. So that's the loop part. There's the small loop. So I put poles together, lay that down for a moment. Let's unwind this big loop here. A 1, a 2, screw this in, and screw this one in. Okay, now let me strap down my little coax here. Now the top part, this little clip goes over the end. Sometimes it takes a little bit of wiggling. And there it is. It's up on the tripod. It doesn't get much easier than that. Let me straighten this loop out real quick. Alright, AlexLoop set up. It's the first time I've ever taken this off since I put it on. It's supposed to be pretty stiff the first few times. So let's see how stiff exactly it is. Woo! It's stiff. There we go. That wasn't too bad. There you have it. And I really appreciate you joining me for this quick Parks on the Air activation this morning. I hope you don't get bored of seeing the same thing over and over again, but I am not a trendy YouTuber that is out here making clickbait content. I'm a ham radio operator, and I operate CW, and I do it a lot. I use the same gear. I've been using this AlexLoop in the 705 for weeks now, and I don't have any intention to stop using it anytime in the next few weeks. So you're not going to see any trendy gear here, unless Yaesu comes out with a new QRP radio. And in that case, you might see some new trendy gear, because I'm probably going to buy that. But that hasn't happened yet. So I love the Icom 705 though. All right, I got my antenna tuned up here. I'm on 40 meters 7.08. Sorry, no, 7.058.5. It's about where I'm going to start. So call QRL. I'm probably not going to activate for very long this morning. We've got a family in town and a fun, busy Thanksgiving holiday. We host Thanksgiving every year, and I love to cook, so I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking over the next couple of days, and I'm looking forward to it. And so we've already got some family in town. We'll have a lot of people at our house tomorrow, so I'm really looking forward to that. But wanted to get out this morning and do a little Parks on the Air activation before starting all of the holiday festivities. Wanted to get in a little bit of Morse code. So with no further ado, let's do it. Now it's called QRL. Make sure there's no one on this frequency, which I've been listening for a minute. And there is not, but we're going to do it anyway because that's common courtesy. Turn off my transmit. Keying speed at 21. All right, let's do it. Tennessee. So I checked. Band conditions today are supposedly very bad. Alright, so got a couple Tennessees and a Kentucky there. So supposedly band conditions are not too great this morning, but who cares? One reason I chose 40 meters though over 30, for example, is because I knew I can get some close-in contacts like these Kentuckys and Tennessees and such. Pretty good and reliable to get, even if band conditions are less than ideal. Knows I'm giving lots of 5.9s this morning, but that's actually true. That's what my S meter's reading. Oh man. Paint's peeling off of the table. So let's see how many we're at here. We're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got Tennessee, Kentucky, Tennessee, Florida, Alabama, Ohio. So most of these contacts so far, other than NM80, the one we just had, have been pretty close in here in the southeast, or the south. I'm not surprised by that. So one thing I'll mention real quick in a minute. North Carolina. Did I lose you? Excuse me. I think I lost. I might have gotten the call sign wrong. Nice signal on 40 meters from Virginia this morning. Oh, wow. See if he got me. Man, that was a weak signal there. Let's try one more time to get you, Mr. Dave. Alright, sorry, respond to a message there from Bill here in Auburn. He was letting me know that he was available to do some UHF CW this morning if I was. But I got to cut it a little short this morning since we've got family in town for Thanksgiving. I've got to head out here in about 15 minutes, so not a whole lot longer before I've got to go ahead and cut it short. But I really appreciate it, and I want to do that. So hopefully that'll work out here in one of the next activations that I do. So y'all know I activate all the time. All right, let's try some more CQs here. All right, come again. All right, gotcha. QSB there. In Texas. Good morning. Illinois, man, good distance there. Messed up my own call there. Wow, what's wrong with my keying? Another Alabama person. Thank you for the contact. All right, real quick, I'm gonna change up to 30 meters for a few minutes, and then in about 10 minutes so I'm gonna call it and head back to the house. So let's come up to 30 meters. 10.112 is my favorite 30 meter frequency. So we're gonna try there. Somebody on there. So it's been down to about 10.108. Listen here for just a moment. All right, SWR is perfect. Tell you, once you get a little bit of practice tuning this loop, it is a piece of cake. All right, nothing heard there. So let's go ahead, start calling. I can kind of see the radio a little bit anyway. excuse me, RBN has spotted me. That's spotted by ZF9 CW. So apparently 30 meters is good and open to DX this morning. I heard you down there. All right, hey Matt. Nice. Thank you for the contact this morning, Matt. All right, I got time for one more call. Let's see. All right, gonna call it right there. Good quick activation. Got 3 on 30 meters, sorry. And I wish I could stay on longer because 30 meters sounds like it's coming into pretty good shape this morning. So let me mark my spot QRT and 72. All right, marked my spot QRT there. But yeah, I wish I could stay on 30 meters a little bit longer, but I got to get back. I actually have to work today. So then this afternoon I'm going to start cooking, and we've got family here in town, so I'm going to enjoy a good Thanksgiving holiday, good long weekend, and looking forward to it. So I hope that you have a great Thanksgiving as well, and I really appreciate you joining me for this quick Parks on the Air activation this morning. So if I don't talk to you again, which I won't because this will be my last video before Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving to you and to your family, and hope you have a great one. And 73 from W4ARB here in Tuskegee National Forest. I'll catch you in the next video.